Dapit hapon, naglalakad ako na mag-isa. Inihagis ang bato sa baligid, malunod sa lungkot. Yo, shoutout guys, another tutorial. Di ko memorize ang lyrics, pero magandang kanta guys. Galing ito kay John Roberts. So magandang kantang ito, i-research nyo, no? Hirap kalimutan. So dito sa chords, madali lang naman ang chords, pero siguro ang strumming pattern lang, no? Dalawa rin ang strumming pattern sa chords 3. Madali lang sundan kasi tatlong part lang ang strumming pattern eh. Ang chords. At ang strumming naman ay dalawang part 3, no? Panoorin niyo ng buo kasi part by part eh. So start tayo agad, yung plucking intro, simple version to strumming version. Ito, play ko muna. So intro at chorus, parang chords na ginamit, no? Ikita ko muna. So simple version, strumming pattern, ito. So A sustain first chord natin, o pwedeng A buo, pwedeng A sustain or A, okay? Kaya nabala kung anong gusto nyo. Second chord ay B, okay, B ang second chord, and then E, simple E. So repeat lang yan sa intro, and then ang strumming, ganito, intro at chorus to strumming pattern, ganito, down, down, up, then down, 3 times ang down, down, up, and then ang last ay up, down, up. So play natin 3 times ang down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and then ang ending up, down, up. So gets, no? 3 times ang down, down, up, down, down, up. Then ang ending up, down, up. So play natin down, down, up, then ang ending up, down, up. Malunod sa lungkot, malunod sa lungkot. So yan ang strumming pattern chords ng intro at chorus guys, no? Kaya na ba mag-timing nga? Basta yan ang part na yan, pati ang strumming pattern. 3 times ang down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, then ang ending up, down, up. So 3 times ang down, up, then ang ending up, down, up. So play natin ulit ang intro, pati ang chorus ito rin ang chords. So intro, play natin yung plucking pattern sa original. Down, up, down. And then tapos verse, ito naman verse dito, madali lang naman to, pati ang strumming pattern na mas madali dito. So E, tapos ng E, then hold ng E. Dapit hapon, mag-isa. So E, then second chord ay C sharp minor. So 4th fret lang yan, 4th fret. Gaya ng B minor, pero 4th fret, okay? Then ang strum, etong strum, down, down, up, down, up. So kaya ba mag-timing nga, down, down, up, down, up. Pati sa instrumental, ito rin ang strum, no? So play natin Dapit hapon, naglalakad, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, na. So twice, no? Sa verse, twice. Na, up, down, down, up. Then chorus, yung sinabi ko kanina, down, up, down, down. So yan ang verse, no? Focus lang kayo sa verse. Focus muna tayo. Get C sharp minor lang, C sharp minor, then strum. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, down, up. Mag-isa. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then chorus. Down, yan ang intro, chorus, verses. Last part tayo dito, last part, instrumental part. Matapos second chorus, so play na natin diretso, no? Instrumental part, then ito ang chords. Instrumental, yung walang kakanta, instrument lang. So E, G minor, A sus 2, then back ng E, hold ng E. So twice, no? Then strum yung sa verses, up down up down down up down. So down down up down up yung strum ng verses. Then chorus, so yan ang buong instrumental part. Instrumental A, then hold ng E twice yan, then strum yan ay yung sa verses ng strum. So, tandaan nyo lang yung intro, chorus, ibang strum doon, i-practice nyo hanggang ma-master nyo. At dito naman sa verses at instrumental, same ang strumming pattern, ang chords lang mag-iba. So madali lang naman siguro, ang timing lang ang mahirap siguro sa mga nag-umpisa ang timing. So yan na lahat, no, ginawa natin na paraan na pinasimple na ito, para masabayan nyo, para madali nyo makanta, no. Tiniming na natin, ginawa na natin simple. Okay, so yan muna ang tutorial. Sus Manex na uploads natin, kaya na bala magmaster ang timing, pinadali na ito, ginawa na natin ang paraan, guys. See you sa Manex na upload, guys. Bye bye.